Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you some things you can try to fix the issue where TikTok messages are not being sent. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So TikTok is down yet again, with many users reporting that their messages are not being sent. The issue began on Tuesday, November 8, 2022, when lots of TikTok users began taking to Twitter to complain as their DMs are not working properly. Many users are unable to send messages on TikTok and are receiving an error message when trying to send a DM to their friends. So the error basically says the server is unavailable and appears alongside with a red exclamation mark beside the message bubble. The users in United States, while the others in Europe and other countries, they're fine. So let me show you what you can try to resolve this issue. So the very first thing which you can try is to close the app and restart the app. So you can do this by opening the app switcher, swiping up to close the TikTok app. Now open your TikTok app again, then go back into your messages and try out if your messages are being sent or not. Now the second way of resolving this is by logging out of your account and logging back in. So you can go into your profile, then tap on the three lines here at the top right, go into settings, then scroll down until you see log out. Go ahead and log out from there. Tap on log out again. Now to log back in, go ahead and add an account and then log in. Now once you're logged back in, go to inbox and go ahead and test if your DMs are working or not. Now the third thing which you can try is to basically delete the app and reinstall it again. So you can basically delete this app and then reinstall it back from your app store. Do note, if you delete your TikTok app from your phone, you will lose all your drafts. Now if you've tried everything and the DMs are still not working, that means TikTok is having an issue with their server. So you'll need to wait until TikTok engineers resolve the issue from their side and then try your TikTok DMs again. So those were the things which you could try to resolve the issue with your TikTok DMs not working. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.